Somebody in the front row. Come on.
More on Syria?
Yeah. Yesterday you talked about the train and equip program, which is one of the major areas that Turkey have a role as part of the coalition.
As who?
Turkey.
Yeah.
Because it's conducted, I think it's in Turkey. That's the process of vetting and also the training all going on there. What is, beside hosting the place, what is the other role that Turkey has in this program? Are they going to provide financial support or other resources for that?
You have to talk to Ankara about this. I will not, despite the many efforts here, I'm not going to speak for the Turkish government, but they have agreed to host a train and equip site in Turkey. And again, as we've been very open and candid about it, that program has a lot of work to do to reach the kind of results that everybody wants to see it reach. We're grateful for the support that Turkey is providing in terms of a site to conduct that training. I don't know, and I don't have the an accurate assessment here today. I'd refer you to the Defense Department about how many are being trained at that site or how that's going. I just don't know. But again, we're grateful for that support.
Okay. I remember, I think last week or the week before, I asked you about that the Ypg is not part of the train and equip program in that specific program. Is there any problem why they are not part of that? Is it Turkey's veto on that, or why they are not part of that?
I'd refer you to the Defense Department. They're the
but
ones.
That's what you said to me. That you said. I said it's not. They are not part of that, and you said
they
yes,
aren't. They aren't as far as I know it. They're still not. But you're going to need to talk to the Defense Department about who's being vetted and recruited for that opposition force.
But to your knowledge, is it still the only support that you give to the Kurdish forces in the north of Syria is the airstrike? That's the only thing that so far they have got.
As I said, the degree to which there is coordination and assistance provided to those fighters in the north has been largely through the coordination of airstrikes and air support.
Can I change the subject?